Okay, welcome back to another video. In this last video, it's going to be really short. We're going to look at what to do when you've got obviously your program here and how to save it. We're using an online version of Scratch, and of course there is an offline version which you may have to use sometimes in school. Now at the minute we haven't signed in or joined Scratch or anything like this, which basically you need to have an email for, and it lets you open an account and you can save all your games there, and you can even share them with other people on Scratch, on the Scratch website. But at the moment we're going to just save the file, so we need to download it and put it on our USB. So how do we do that? Well, you just go to File and Save to your computer. So when you pick that, quite often it goes down to a download folder. So mine is just gone down to here to downloads. Yours would come up maybe at the bottom left in Google Chrome, and what you probably have to do is click on the little arrow and pick show in folder. Okay, so I can see it in my folder here. This is it. It's called Scratch Project and it's .sb3. Okay, so that's obviously the version of Scratch. Now once you've got that, you can then move that over to your USB, wherever your USB happens to be. Okay, so that would be the idea. I'm just going to save mine, of course, on my desktop, but you need to be saving yours into your folder. Okay, and that's important because when we close this, all of this would be lost otherwise. So if I actually do that now, I just open a new window, leave the page. Now if I go back to Scratch programming, go back to the website, pick on start creating, you can see it's just going to load up again like a blank. And of course if I've got the file from last lesson, I can load from the computer and I can find it on my USB and say choose, and it will load up everything that I've done. Okay, so that's really important that you're able to save to your computer and save it on your USB or storage area, and then load from your computer the next time in the next lesson.